Yo,
Hello, welcome back to the channel. How are you all?
pretty good. Yourself?
Ah,
We're gonna talk about fees today. If you guys are
money.
if you guys new to the channel, we usually about talking about money.
Yep, personal finance, family, relationship, couple. Yeah,
Our
budgeting,
personal journey.
saving, side
Yeah.
hustle, investment.
Anything got to do with money and what we personally do. So if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and thumbs up. It would be muchly appreciated. So in today's video, we're going to talk about something different. It's actually about fees,
Yep.
fees, bank fees that you can physically avoid. Well, you can avoid them. If you don't avoid them, well, they're just going to grab money out of you all the time.
I know. I just feel like why banks still charging certain of fees. I don't know. Since I was young, I try to avoid all these fees anyway.
There are lots of banks out there, and they have a minimum requirement in order for you to get free transaction accounts.
Yeah, that's why they always ask you, put your salary in there, then we won't charge you $5 per month.
That's one of them.
Yeah.
So yeah,
That's what the
that's the bare minimum
monthly
one, like
fee or
monthly
something.
fees or something.
yeah.
So, and for us, it's like I don't understand why they have these conditions, the monthly fees. Let's say, well, if
I
that's
think
the rule,
because they want your money. They
Yeah.
want your money, so they don't charge you. They charge you to not using the account, or they take your money to lend it to someone with a credit card debt.
so that's just one of the product that the bank use to leverage themselves.
Yep.
But in order for, if you are actually having a lot of fees in your bank account, you might think twice.
Or change bank, or call them.
Here in Australia, there are
Yeah.
a lot of different banks out there that have zero monthly fees.
Yeah.
So zero. As in
Oh, so is
zero.
the first one we're talking about monthly fee?
Yeah, monthly
Yeah.
fees, I guess. So monthly fees, that's the first one. So I think in each bank, I just opened up on one bank, I think about 6 months ago, to open up a trading account. And because there's a lot of terms and conditions, they're all like in a, financial jargon, which I don't understand, I just give them a call and ask them, hey, what's the deal with your account? Do you have a monthly fees? Oh, yes. He just rap on for about 5 minutes. I just need to know how much is it?
And how can you avoid
How
it?
can I avoid it?
Yeah.
Oh, you got to transfer this amount.
Yeah.
Great. I'll do that from here on.
I think don't be afraid to ask, how can I avoid it, or can you waive it for me?
Okay.
Well, I was lucky. I've been using the bank for I don't know how many years.
Uh-huh.
And then I think when I started, I was paying like monthly fee, $5 a month. Not much, $60 a year. Not much, 10 years, 600.
Not much.
But how many accounts do they have?
Oh, is it per
Put it
account?
away. Per account.
Oh, okay.
What are you
gotcha.
talking about? Anyway,
okay.
only for me it's $5, I think. And then lucky I joined this company. They said if you're using this bank, which is the same bank I'm using, they can waive it for me. So I just call them and waive forever.
Right. Even though you don't work there anymore.
I don't work there anymore. Of course, they can't add it on anymore.
Okay.
And
gotcha.
anyway, you can, or on the other way is you can call them and tell them, oh, my friend's account's monthly fee has been waived. Can you do the same to me?
What do I have to do to get that happen?
Yeah.
And some of them is just as simple as, oh no, you got to be a new customer. Okay, great. Can you close my account? Tomorrow, open up the new customer. Radio. So there's a few things that happen in my lifetime.
Yeah.
Where you can get a discount because you're a new customer. Okay, well, I just close this account today. Give it a day or two once it's actually.
Does it work? I
Yeah.
think. Oh, really?
Yeah. Some of them is like, oh, you got to wait for 30 days. Okay, I'll call you back in 30 days. Not a big deal for me.
Yeah.
So because then I have to go in the system or something like that to delay, like whatever. So as long as I can get that free monthly fees, I'll do whatever it takes.
Yeah.
If you're watching this anywhere around the world, hey, I'm sure there will. I don't know if there is, but I don't know if they're bound to be somewhere that you
Try
can
it and let us know.
Yeah. The other one would be annual fees.
It's more for credit card.
Correct. There are some credit cards out there free annual fee,
Yeah.
but if you can avoid it, get out of it. Because it doesn't make any sense with the credit card. Like, okay, then so here I am, have a credit card with a limit of, let's say, X. But for me to hold this particular card, it's going to cost me $300 or $100 or whatever the yearly annually fee.
Just shop around. I call them again, see if they can waive it. They can't. Okay, close my account. Call another bank that they do it free.
Yeah.
No, there are a lot of cards that they don't charge you anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we haven't been on a credit card debt for ages, and
it's not debt. It's just the annual fee. Because why? Normally, it's for first year is free, and then the next year you gotta pay. Maybe the year after you just cancel it.
A card is a card.
They try to get you.
Yeah.
They're trying to get you, and you spend money on the card, and they get you interest.
Yep.
Simple. And I remember I tried once. I did a balance transfer from one card to another card. So this card, the new card, is 0% balance transfer for 6 months. So I took advantage of it. And then once I took advantage, I just canceled it. I didn't have to pay a single cent.
It's great for if you are in a debt snowball, I guess, in a sense. If
and you know what you're doing, and you know you can achieve the goal.
Yeah, and you are trying to clean yourself up.
Yes.
Not as in open up an account and just transfer, but you still having that spending habit lifestyle.
Correct.
But if you're trying to clear out debt, balance transfer is it's one way to achieve that. Another one would be late payment fee. Have you ever been late? And you have to pay?
Very rare. Not the bank. Or maybe
Library
some of the council. Library books, they don't charge you anymore.
Okay, gotcha.
They
council rate.
Council rate. Only that. But now I just try to pay as soon as I got the bill.
You going my way now.
But we got charged because we didn't get the bill.
Correct.
It's only because we didn't get the bill, not that I missed the payment.
So late payment, I guess if you own a credit card as well, we're looking at that. I mean, try
for the minimum.
Pay the bare minimum at the very least. If you don't pay the bare minimum, then definitely you're gonna get a late payment fee.
Wow.
It sting you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But you can't just bury your head under the sand. You have to actually take action and do something about it.
Still, if you don't look after yourself, no one look after you. The bank won't call you and tell you what happened. They will just
They're
charge.
just gonna slap you a late payment fee.
How many customers they have?
I know.
Right.
Another one would be ATM fees. Now, this happened, I guess, a long time ago when if you withdraw, if you're like a certain bank and then you withdraw from a different bank, they will charge you a fee on that.
Do they still do it? They still do it, right?
I don't know. I never withdraw a different account because from a different.
I don't withdraw money from another ATM. I only withdraw money from my bank.
Correct. It doesn't matter where.
How much was it? $2, $2.50,
something like that. Something small. And then if it's like a non-big four lending bank, it'll be a lot more extra. Like an ATM that is not from a bank, will be an extra. So I'm like, you know what? $2 here, $2 there, all adds up.
You can get a coffee.
2 of those late payment equivalent to a coffee.
Yes, I never pay that. I still no.
No, every time if we need to withdraw money, we have to go to our bank.
You'd rather go supermarket, get cash.
Oh yeah,
you can do it.
Yeah.
Right.
Well,
I've done it once or twice only.
I used to work in the supermarket, and I don't understand why I do like. And I used to work in the checkout. And once I ran all the product, and then tell them, it will be $200 or something, and then they're asking for a cash out. Like, I don't understand why would you need to do a cash out from the like they treat it
in shop.
Yeah, they treat it like the shopping center, the grocery store is an ATM machine. Yeah. Now I do.
They don't charge you.
Yeah,
and they got cash in front of you. They count for you.
So, I didn't understand that, but now as you become parents, it makes sense because that's probably the closest thing that you can go to in a bank.
Yes.
But anyway, we don't even do that.
We rarely use cash anyway. Yeah.
So we usually tap and go, and we usually just
debit card.
And one of our bank is actually
downstairs,
across the road from where we live.
And my bank got ATM downstairs, so I don't go anywhere.
So the last one would be currency conversion fee. Currency conversion.
Oh well, I think it's mainly when you go overseas, right?
Mm-hmm.
I used to just use my card, I used to
Debit
use
card?
my credit card. No,
Credit card.
all time credit, but I still pay it off anyway.
Mm.
I used my credit card and went America to shop because that time it was 1 to 1.
Yeah.
Really strong Australian currency, so it didn't really bother me. But then now I think because I didn't miss out much, so I'm okay to pay for that conversion rate fee. But now if I have to do it again, maybe I'll just get cash.
Bring cash.
Yeah.
Or a debit
Old
card.
fashioned. Yeah. You can do a debit card and then you load the money in.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
that option. But for us, usually when we go overseas, we just bring cash. It'll be easier.
Yes.
So,
So we don't have to pay because each time I think they will charge you different exchange rate, and second transaction is they charge you for the conversion rate
yeah.
expense.
Apparently, there's no commission, but there is bound to be a fee somewhere hidden there. So,
Yeah.
so we
all
don't
add
bring any other form. We just bring our cash
Yeah.
every time we go overseas.
Yes.
So hopefully this gives you guys a bits and pieces of information, I guess, in terms
How
of
to
fees
avoid
and how
bank
to avoid it.
fees. Yep.
Because if it's coming out of your pocket and goes to the bank, you're making them richer.
Yeah, I know.
So a $2 here, $2 there, it all adds up.
Yeah.
So anyway, don't forget to subscribe, comment, guys.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.